Okay, I wanted to show you how you can take a screenshot and do your graphs right on there if you wanted. So if I just go into Google Classroom, I have an iPhone, so if you don't have an iPhone, you would want to Google exactly how to do it for you. However, I think some of the basic steps are going to be the same. So here's what I would do. So let's say you wanted to do, let's do the first solving by systems one. Okay, so if I open this PDF on my phone, okay, so I see this, I have most of the problems right here. Take a screenshot of the whole thing, just like this. So take a screenshot, however you do it on your phone, okay? And then if you go into your photos and open up that screenshot that you just took, you can, at least on an iPhone, and I'm sure other phones have the same option where you can draw on a picture with your finger. That's exactly what you want to do here. To make it easier on yourself, though, you're going to zoom in on the particular graph that I want to graph. And then I could go ahead and do this one. So this one starts at 3. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but, and then down 1 over 2. So I can kind of make my dots and make a dot back here. Oh, stop it. Trying to connect these dots to make my line. Why is it not working? Oh, there we go. But of course I did a bad job. So I'll try again. Okay. And then I can even switch colors for the next line if I wanted. Right? Okay, so now the next one is start at -3 and then go up 1 over 1. So ding, 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 there's my meeting point right there. And then you could just give me the ordered pair right here, 4, 1. Oh, 4, 1, 1. There we go. All right, now, so to zoom in and out, you have to use 2 fingers. So if I zoom out, and then I can just move, oh, shoot. Let's erase that. Make sure you're using 2 fingers to move it around. And then now I can just zoom in on number 2. I can do my same thing, right? So I can draw my lines here, write the answer, whatever it is, zoom out, and then move to the next one. Zoom in. Guys, that makes it so much easier. And then when you're done, right, when you've done all the ones in this picture, you might have to do a second picture for the next page. I'm just going to click done. Oops. I'm just going to click done. And then here I get the option to save to photos, so I'll just save it to photos. So then when you go to submit it on Google Classroom, you already have the image. So you don't have to print this out. You don't have to do it on paper. You certainly can if you want to, but I'm seeing you guys are turning some in that are done on paper, and you're not even giving me like an X and Y axis. So it's awfully hard to find a solution without a decent graph, okay? So this is one way that you can do it. Again, if you don't have an iPhone, you can still just take a screenshot, however your phone does that. You might have to Google it if you don't know how, but I'm sure you guys all know how to do it. Take a screenshot and then just go and draw on screenshot, and then you can just submit that picture, okay? So much easier. Hope this helps.